You go so ye ka ho asem a. The what is it?
Akoma FM.
One, make an economy ne ka ho. Even though the love no e wo ho no mo. But sunsun pe, edu ba bia ho na me yemre. Wo hu de me kire no. Now, senka base ya na ebia anka omanya ebia subsidy bi. Then no be hu say ebetimi akushin nipa bi ka.
Ifrin aban ho na say ifrin.
And there because you see say aban per se your local match na ekosoro there. Me can advise American say aban enhwe sponsorship.
Okay.
And farmer clubs no. And say companies now we are prepared because company bia obe sponsor certain things no on your tax remit. Abruchiri nyina ho.
Yeah.
Say if eno so bamu a ebetimi aboa ama ye football no akos because clubs no na aban see to is say yem fa say for instance abanya companies ni bi on person mo sponsor we sponsor koto we sponsor has we ko bi chim we see amount a we de be hye no and be determine tax a ye beti free so then this is why aban betimi anya control whereby aban be ka say okay club bia was sponsorship no ebia salary no minimum should be ebia 1,000.
Okay.
Then motivation aba player betimi abo match ne town and say ne crew mu ha no and say Ghana ha abra ontu kwan because kano because we are there on search your ebe ya odanti say on time say if obi betena ne crew no when you certain amount to be to live on suffer
Akoma FM.
example some of the North African countries in the players in the be umubo ofi
Yeah.
on the mention because of salary ya de more sufficient to betimi live account to onye easy sir one with the mention I don't know obi free weather night say no ko bobo snow mu enye easy one with the mention enye easy so I will say government etimi ebe sort clubs on asing.
Okay.
And no betimi ama enema bi atoto yi. Anya sadia one exodus. Untimi prevent it.
Kwa no mbeko so akọ.
Kwa no mbeko so ebe tokoso akọ. But unfortunately so no because of omo konso anya sika bia o. But clubs no so hia sika.
Yes.
Enti ombeja na manako. Player no kora ne manager be fight ma management aja wo ama wako now ni nyina ba is kasem.
Okay.
So if clubs no will be resources in such a way so betimi build the academy nka exodus no any problem because Brazil okoti MSO Omuna produce players into the whole world every year top. But Adena still no. Omusanya bishim. Omnya extraordinary players within the year no we appear no almost send you out. Brazil enya Norwich years back. Maybe call Brazil 1988.
Okay.
Mene FCRL with Ottoman Hinsfeld. I want to go say academy doors for Brazil, and the government, you know, and the building, you know, these certain people, some of them here, old players, pa, and omoda ano, omudia and say you develop on quality talent, na, and the club will be here player or fall on the academy, no akofa, akoto, the academy na saying your own way transfer, and the beginning no. Country no a government board ka wie no tama returns no start here ban government emphasis ka bi anko ba bia then the money is coming sam because academy no player no onya ko outside say 10% kura ni year you fancy say 23 million 10% of 3 million and back to the academy entina eno ema ye be develop nkwala no sa entina obi kokura na enye problem still you get quality players so foundation no yan start a na yan ko back a de kan nyina no saa na be time will come unya quality player biya biom
yɛbɛdi academies ho